Hey everybody, Miss Glad here. Just putting together a corrections video for Unit 5, Learning Target number 1. So feel free to fast forward or go back, rewind any areas that you need a little extra practice in. I will be giving you some hints as we go through. So let's go ahead and get started with our level 1s. Question 1. So this one here says identify the solution to the systems below. Remember to write your answer as an ordered pair. So as I look here, I see my bullseye is exactly at left 2, up 2. So its solution would be left 2, up 2. So here your ordered point would be -2, comma 2. Okay, so check that one out. Number 2 is worth a point. Notice that you have two lines that will never cross. So if they will never cross, what kind of a solution is that again? Remember, their slopes are the same. So here, if I find another point, slopes that are the same, lines that never cross, think about what solution that would be. Moving on to our level 2, solve the system using graphing. Remember to write your solution as an ordered pair when you are finished. So let's start with this first line. Notice that they are in y equals mx plus b form so that I can really spot my slope and my y-intercept quickly. So the first one I'm going to do in red, and I notice that the b is at +4. That is the y-intercept. So I notice that this line is going to pass right up here at +4. And I also notice that the slope right here, my m, is -1/3. So -1/3. So that tells me to find my points. I'm going to use my slope. I'm going to go down 1, and then I'm going to head to the right 3. So down 1, right 3, make my point. Down 1, right 3, make my point. When I connect, there is a graph of line 1. Line 2, I'm going to find my y-intercept once again to get this started. It is at -3, so down here, I'm going to plot -3. From this point, I'm going to apply my slope. My slope on this one is 2. Remember, in slope terms, that's like 2/1. So slope of 2/1, it's a positive slope. I'm going to rise 2, run right 1. So starting down here, I'm going to go up 2/1, make my point, up 2/1, make my point, up 2/1, make my point, and then I am going to connect. So right here, I hope you see a bullseye. Go ahead and complete this by putting in the correct intersecting point. So what is that bullseye? Finish that off, please. And our last question, level 3 is worth 3 points. One equation in a system is graphed below. The solution to the system is 6, 2. Which equation could be the other equation in the systems? Show your work. So here, since this is worth 3 points, I do want to see how you come up with your solution. So I'm just going to start at the top here, and I'm just going to choose a different color for each line. So here's what we want. I'm going to highlight right here. We want the system to have a solution at 6, 2. So 6, 2 is where that other line must pass. So starting here at the top, I've got y equals -3 times x. Well, notice my b, my y-intercept, is 0. This is a proportional line. So this graph is going to start at 0, 0, and I'm going to apply my slope -3/1. So I'm going to go down 3, right 1 to help find my points. Down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. And I'm off my table. I could go up 3, left 1, but I think this gives me a pretty clear picture that my letter A, red line, is not a solution. So it will not cross where we need it to. So A is off of our list. Let's try letter B. My y-intercept is at +6. So I'm going to travel up to y equals 6, and I'm going to start right here. Now I need to apply my slope. Negative 2 over 3 tells me that my slope is negative. It's going to go downhill. So I'm going to go down 2, right 3 to find my points. Down 2, right 3. Down 2, right 3. Down 2, right 3, and I'm off the chart. So right now you probably noticed that, hey, gosh, that looks real amazing. Graph B hits the target. Now you can check your next one. Here, the y-intercept is at 3, and your slope is positive. That's 2 over 1. So I go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Well, I can really quickly see this green line is not going to cross where we need it to. So the last one here I'm going to check in orange. Crosses the y-intercept at negative 1, and it's a positive slope. That is 2 over 3. So here I'm going to rise 2, run 3, rise 2, run 3. Oh, it's very close. Notice it doesn't quite hit that location. So you circle the correct answer here, and then you are finished. I hope this has helped. Have a fabulous rest of your day.